Today, I'm going to be telling you about Fairbanks, Alaska. Fairbanks, Alaska is a city that lies on the northern interior side of Alaska. Now, this city has a population just under 100,000 people, but is rich in culture, nature, and beauty. With animals like moose, reindeer, polar bears, black bear, Dall, sheep, muskox, and so much more, to hot springs, to Aurora Ice Museums, to the Aurora Lights themselves. You can really see it all, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Dog sledding. Dog power has been used for hunting and travel for over 1,000 years. As far back as the 10th century BCE, these dogs have contributed to human culture, and Fairbanks, Alaska is just the place you can get a glimpse of it. So we're out here at the kennel, about to go dog sledding on a dog tour.
Come on.
Doing it moving, man. See, it's snowing, whole bunch going on. Yeah, out here. Sled dogs are working dogs that live outside year-round. They're high-energy dogs that are bred to endure the cold Arctic conditions. Today's racing sled dogs have lean, athletic frames and are built for speed and endurance. Because of their higher energy demands, mushers generally run their dogs on a consistent schedule. When they're not running, they're kept in their own individual houses with their own private spaces. These houses are arranged in organized rows, and this setup is commonly referred to as a dog yard. What's up, Bree? What's up, King? Chilling. So I'm ready to go. So how you feeling?
Like it's snack time in this winter weather.
Uh-oh, look, turn around.
Oh wow. It's like Christmas. It's spring.
Lit, Anna! Hey, Lit! Anna! Appreciate moves. You won't want to be able to, you won't want to see it.
No?
Nope.
Okay. That we won't see a move?
Next up, we have the hot spring, Chena Hot Springs. Going to the hot spring. Thoughts?
This is wonderful!
Eu não conheço lá em cima.
You walk out with me.
A mãe trabalha lá.
Just walk out with me.
I'm recording you.
I know you.
Cuidar de neném, porque você tem que ficar te dando atenção. Tem que ficar com os dois quando o neném acordar. Aí tem que pôr o neném na neve. Aí eu tenho que entreter ela com alguma coisa pra pôr ele na neve, senão ela vai pra rua. Tem duas coisas, tem a parte de aí você vai trabalhar independente, ficar olhando ela. E eles também não me cobram de ficar olhando. Ela é meio fácil pra poder...
We're out here doing and moving at the Chena Hot Springs. You see it's snowing in this natural spring. It's nice and warm, nice and cozy, like a jacuzzi, but better. You know, take a peek around and take it in. Here in Alaska. Here in Alaska. Chena Hot Springs is just absolutely astonishing. It's this mineral-rich outdoor rock lake that you're able to relax your body and really warm and enlighten your soul with. Over 100 years ago, gold miners and early Alaskan pioneers rested their weary souls and bodies in this natural outdoor hot spring. Today, you can carry out that tradition and soak away your own worldly worries at the Chena Hot Spring, right here in Fairbanks, Alaska.
No two snowflakes are the same. Fun fact.
No two snowflakes are the same.
This is what people do.
And no two of me and you and three and we and she.
Just like snowflakes.
What? Yeah, man. We out here doing it, moving, living life. This is absolutely beautiful. Moments like this you have to just take in, appreciate the nature, the air, the water, God's gift to us. Be able to inhabit this land and take this in is absolutely amazing. It is a blessing. And to be able to harness this and live in the moment is astonishing and absolutely lovely that I'm able to do so. And I appreciate that. Definitely a place I recommend coming. It's a great spiritual energy. Come get your spiritual energy right. Just come get your energy right as a whole. Come get your body right. If you have ailments and aches or whatever, or you just want to chill, relax. Can't complain. It has different lighting and stuff that's up right there. You also have this. You also have this spout that kind of shoots the water. Will walk over there. But the mix between the snow and the hot spring and even this gravel that's in the water on our feet is just absolutely amazing. It's an amazing experience. You got to come try this, especially if you're American. Alaska ain't that far. It's the 50th state. Come visit it. Come conquer it. Yeah. So let me give you guys some quick info on hot springs. So a hot spring or hydrothermal spring or geothermal spring is a spring produced by emergence of geothermally heated groundwater that rises from Earth's crust. While some of these springs contain water that is safe temperature for bathing, others are hot enough that immersion can be harmful and lead to scalping and potentially death. But Chena Hot Springs is not one of those. We know that this hot spring is managed and kept at an internal temperature about 104 to 106 degrees Fahrenheit. But if you're sitting at home watching this video and you're like me, you're probably wondering how cold it is outside. So the average yearly temperature for the area is about -4.9 degrees Celsius or 23.2 degrees Fahrenheit, with the highest temperature being in July at 20.4 degrees Celsius or 68.7 degrees Fahrenheit, and the lowest temperature being in January at about -31.2 degrees Celsius or -24.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Just absolutely lovely in here. Our time is coming up. We need to go. We have a shuttle that's going to take us back to our hotel. We don't want to get out. I could spend hours in here. I could take a nap, live, hibernate, all of the above in here. Just absolutely beautiful. Got the fountain in the back. We got two little spouts shooting out some water right there. Another one right there. This is just dope, man. This is something you see in the movies. To be able to experience this. Whew. And came a long way from just being a kid from Richmond. It's amazing how far I've come. Love that I'm able to share my experiences with you all. So you can experience this together. Ooh, it just got hot over here. Different parts of here, the pool have like different heat, but it's all pretty warm. They keep it at about 104 degrees or something like that, so pretty warm, but not too hot, except in some of these spots. Super dope. But about to get out, end the day. We've had an amazing time at Chena Hot Springs. An absolutely amazing times at Chena Hot Springs. Definitely a place you gotta come see. You gotta come try out. Chena Hot Springs. It is what it is. It's great. I ain't got no hate. Nothing but the best nonetheless. Savage Exposure out. Love, peace, and hair grease. Home to the world's largest year-round ice environment, the Aurora Ice Museum. These roses and the ice. Got the cheetah on the chessboard here. This gargoyles up here. We have this amazing sculpture. It's like a horseman jousting. It's crazy. And this is my favorite piece of meat. Place. Super detailed. It's the little station, the main different thing on the south side. Let's go. Different things checking. This is where they make the glasses. Making sure you guys the entryway. So when you actually come in, plans your site, come in from this door. See this seahorse. This is absolutely amazing. Look at it. Out of here, seating, different things they're working on. You just sit down and enjoy. This is where you place your hand. Interesting. Let's see what we can do. This is crazy.
I was trying to get you doing that. Do it again.
And an angle, man. So I'm gonna come back. I'm just trying to get on my footage on here first.
Okay.
Doing a little walkthrough.
Oh, sorry.
This is the ice bed, so you can actually run out these rooms and see if there's any good. There's the other room. Start the bed. This is your bedroom, I guess. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned so much about Fairbanks, Alaska. I hope it helped you if you're planning to go there, if you're looking for some activities and things to do there, or if you just didn't know about it at all. I hope this video helped you. I hope it was fun. I hope it was exciting. Drop some in the comments. Like and subscribe, especially subscribe if you already haven't. Make sure you do that. I'll be dropping more and more videos and content as I go, so you can stay up with me. You enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you.